Okay, welcome back, guys. Here's the directions for Monday. We're gonna kind of ease into the week. Again, we're still transitioning from early humans like caveman, Neanderthal types. We're slowly transitioning into our first civilization that we're gonna look at starting tomorrow. So we're kind of focusing on a major point that allows civilizations and empires and cities and towns and villages, whatever allows people to stick and stay in one area and not basically not roam around chasing the food. How do we make the food stay with us? So what your job is today, you're just going to watch the Ed Puzzle video on the agricultural revolution. It's only 11 minutes long. The questions are embedded. As always, as long as you can get 80% or better, you'll get the full points. There is no extra attached assignment. It's just the video and the questions embedded. Once you watch the video, once you've answered the questions, the only thing I'm going to ask you to do is to spend about 10 or 15 minutes just searching. Just go on like Google or just the internet and just look up Mesopotamia and just kind of read and scroll and see if you can find something that interests you, and we'll be able to use that a little bit later. But that's it. Just watch the Ed Puzzle video, answer the questions. Pretty easy Monday. Tomorrow we'll start our notes, and we'll just go from there and see how far we get. Have a good one. If you have any questions, obviously just email me. See you.